Greetings Sith fans, it's your old pal Megtooth Sith, and I have a special saber here for you. This is for Mike Perez, currently in battery blade mode. Probably wondering why Megtooth Sith's wearing a Carolina Hurricanes jersey. Of course, number one, you see it's my colors. But number two, it's because Mike Perez is from Tampa Bay, and there's some Tampa Bay Lightning Blade in here and some Tampa Bay Lightning sound effects. And I had to ward off the bad juju from my hockey team, the Carolina Hurricanes. Just kidding, Mike. But at any rate, this is Mike Perez's saber. It's a Corband Crossguard 2.0, equipped with Proffie, Smoothswing, accent swings, everything. A lot of custom blade styles. Here we go. First one is Crossguard by Sith, and this is the traditional fire blade with delayed quillions. Freaking awesome. There's your lockup, affects the quillions and the main blade, blaster blocks, clash, retraction. Next preset. This is Thalry's Spark Tip Fire Blade, and same in the quillions, but the quillions aren't affected by clash. So let's show that ignition again. Watch, there's a white spark tip. And the quillions match, but only the main blade goes in lockup. Clash goes up the blade. It's got the traditional threaded blaster blocks on it, and the quillions aren't affected by any of it. The next blade is Fernando de Rosa's unstable blade. This one's a little bit more photogenic. Again, the Crossguard. It's got localized lockup, and the lockup does not affect the quillions. It's got the standard blasters, and then of course cases. With accent strings. Because it's getting all nervous. He's like, oh my god, that's my saber. The next blade is Ben's Corruption. This is another one by Fernando de Rosa. Starts out blue. And then after that quote, you start changing into a fire blade. And you got localized lockup on there too. By the way, this color changing blade is a hint of what's to come on Proffie. Awesome stuff by Fernando. Next font is Vader. The background track is, Rogue One. It's got the spark tip. Got localized lockup, it's green. It's also got spark tip.
I need someone to show me my place in all this.
This is Half Flex by Sith. Localized lockup again on this. Smoothswing plus accent swings, blaster blocks, flash, lockup, localized, 4 sounds, BB-8.
Luke Skywalker.
This is Luke Skywalker, the background track, Jabba scene, green blade, delayed ignition. localized lockout. Spark tip. Spark tip never shows up good on video. Case this Vengeance with blue spark tip. Same blade as is on Vader's. Localized lockout. Spark tip, which never shows up on video. Next font, the Light by Sith. It's a blue rain blade. And by the way, this one has background track. Like rain. I don't know how this is going to turn out on video on the GoPro. But it's a rain blade. The blade changes colors like rain's hitting it and causing some cooling effect. Smoothswing with accents. Standard lockout. Standard blasters. Next one is your Tampa Bay Lightning Blade. Now, Mike, I've shown you this on Facebook. This video may not be an adequate representation, but there's your music. Go Carolina. All the blasters are thunder clashes, and you can see you get like a lightning effect. There's your Tampa Bay Lightning Blade. Next, the Knight Rider font. Y'all have seen that before. Blaster sounds all kit. Knight Rider blade. Next one's like a Tron type blade. This is a blue cycle blade. It's got traditional swing, not smooth swing. Lockout. This is a rainbow blade, I believe, and yep, Cantina. Boom, there's your rainbow, but this coin's green, this coin's red, this one's going rainbow. Sometimes you guys can see that if I point it at the camera and let it run down the camera. Next font is your Christmas blade, which is pretty awesome. So you got a candy cane blade going up, green Koyan, red Koyan. It doesn't get any more Christmassy than that. And then all the sounds are chewy. My dog's going crazy right now. And then I put this Patriot Blade on there, on yours too. Red, white, and blue stripes going up. Blue Koyan, red Koyan, Patriotic Blade, special song as the background track. And then my Lightning Blade. Metallica's the background track on that. Freaking Lightning Blade is awesome. It's insane. And then boom, battery blade. See how far it goes back up. Because it was green when we first started, so we've already used some battery there. See if it gets back up to green. Yeah, it's close. It's kind of like an aquamarine. So we used a little bit of battery there in the demo. I'm running actually an 18650 in here right now. I'm including two 21700s, but remember you guys can order the 18650s from the custom saber shop. I'm not going to repeat the button instructions. They're the same on Eric Wilkins' saber as they are on yours. So the button functions are the exact same on Eric Wilkinson's saber as they are on yours. So thank you everybody for watching. Hope you like this saber.
Kylo Ren.
A little bit of Kylo Ren Fireblade as we go out, huh? Frederick, Humanet, freaking incredible, right? May the Force be with you, or the dark side is at work.